Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. This WEIZE mountain bike claims to be a do-it-all option for any terrain, but is it just another budget bike that will leave you wanting more? We put it to the test. This is the WEIZE mountain bike, an outdoor MTB bicycle designed for adult men and women, as well as youth. It's built with a high-carbon steel frame and features dual full suspension, meaning both the front fork and the rear have suspension systems. This is aimed at providing a more comfortable ride, especially on rough trails and uneven surfaces. It comes in multiple wheel sizes, 24, 26, and 27.5 inches, and offers either 6 or 18 speeds to tackle various inclines. Let's talk about what makes this bike stand out. First, the dual full suspension. This is a big deal for comfort and control. It absorbs bumps and shocks from the trail, reducing fatigue and making rough terrain much more manageable than on a hardtail bike. Second, the adjustable ergonomic seat. This is crucial for finding a comfortable riding position, especially on longer rides. Being able to dial in the height and angle means you can customize it to your body, preventing back strain. Third, the high-carbon steel frame. While not as lightweight as aluminum or carbon fiber, high-carbon steel is known for its durability and strength, offering a robust build that can handle some abuse on the trails. It also tends to be more affordable. Fourth, the multiple speed options. Whether you choose the simpler 6-speed or the more versatile 18-speed drivetrain, you get the gears you need to climb hills or cruise on flats. The 18-speed offers finer control over your pedaling effort. Finally, the availability in 24, 26, and 27.5-inch wheel sizes means you can likely find a size that fits your height and riding style well. This WEIZE mountain bike is perfect for beginners looking to get into trail riding without a huge investment. It's also a great option for casual cyclists who want a comfortable bike for parks, light trails, or even just getting around town with a bit more rugged capability. If you're a student or a youth rider looking for a durable and comfortable bike for recreational use, this could be a solid choice. The main downside to consider is its weight. High-carbon steel frames, while strong, are typically heavier than aluminum or specialized composite materials, which could make climbing steeper hills a bit more challenging. Compared to a basic hardtail mountain bike without suspension, this WEIZE offers significantly more comfort and control on rough surfaces. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.